Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the Ed's Tech YouTube channel, and today we have an Xbox One controller here, an Xbox One Minecraft controller. So let's just get into it. Alright. Oh. That was gonna come in a box or something, but oh crap. Now it's just floating all over the place. Now look at that. I didn't think it was gonna have anything on the back, but I like that there's a TNT logo on the back. Anything coming up? I don't know, is it? Probably sealed or something. That's cool though. If my camera would focus. Yeah, it's a gripper controller for the series. So yeah, this is a short unboxing, but I thought it'd be more boxed than that. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video. Sorry about my nails, I'm gonna get them cut like today. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. And I'll see y'all in the next tech video or Minecraft video. Peace.